As you have seen in the thumbnail, that you can't hoist the national flag of Pakistan on 14th August, as the Justice Bakar Najvi of High Court has issued a verdict regarding the national flag of Pakistan. According to verdict, the flag can't be imprinted on color cloth. According to Penal Code 1860 Section 123P, the punishment to humiliate the national flag is 3 years. Justice Bakar Najvi issued a verdict in 7 pages. The flag of Pakistan has its own history and importance. Our flag is a symbol of freedom and equality. Dear audience, High Court represented the national flag and issued its protocol. It should not fall on the ground and it should not be touched with shoes and not be hoisted in dark. It should not be burnt and it should be paid salute when it is raised or hoisted. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.